Good morning, friends. Today we are going to be talking about homophones. So, homophones are two words that sound the same, but they are spelled differently and they have a different meaning. But the words sound exactly the same when you hear them. A way to kind of remember this is when you look at the word homophone, you see the word phone. When you think about a phone, you're always listening to someone when you talk on the phone. So just like this, just like a phone, you are listening to what these words sound like and realizing that they sound the same. So you're going to look at these words that you have here. You have pear, and that's like the fruit. So if you want to eat a pear, you have two, like the number two. You have sun, like the sun up in the sky. You have flu, like if you get sick and you catch the flu. You have sea, like water. You have new, like I got a new toy. You have bee, like a bumblebee, the bug. You have one, like the number one. You have buy, like you want to purchase something, like you could buy a toy at the store. And you have eye, like your eye. And then you're going to look at these words down below. Which of these words sound the same? So if I'm looking at pear, like the fruit, I know pear down here sounds the same, but I notice it's spelled differently. So that's the word I'm going to write up here. And you're going to write them. We're not going to cut and paste. So then I can cross that one out. I've already used it. Thinking about what pair means right here, this means like if I were to say we're going to get into pairs to do a project. A pair would be two of something, like if I have a pair of socks, I have two socks. So these words are spelled differently, they have different meanings, but they sound the same. So now you are going to match up the rest of the words to their homophone, thinking about what the different meanings are in the words. On the back side, you have contractions, where you are making these two words into one word by making them a contraction. Remember, when I do that, I don't use all the letters. So if I do not, since I have this vowel here, I don't want another O in my word. My word's going to become don't with an apostrophe T. What I'm getting rid of is that vowel. I'm going to get rid of the O and replace it with an apostrophe. So now instead of do not, I have don't. She is, I have she's with apostrophe S. Again, I'm getting rid of that vowel. Sometimes, like when you have they will, you're going to make that they'll. They'll go buy some groceries. You're actually getting rid of the W also. So there are a couple times, like if you're using the word will in a contraction, that you're also getting rid of that W and the vowel, the I. When you're done, make sure you put your name on it and turn it in.